Okay guys, welcome back to Darish Zone, and in this video I want to talk to you about the websites that currently are sharing my works, Retro Machine works. You see, this is my channel, this is my video, and you remember that this was the the video about the Retro Machine Pro. I'm still working on it. I've resolved some things like the Scan VM is back and the Neo Geo CD is back, and we'll show all of that on the next video. So very exciting news to share with you guys because yes, I've managed to resolve this issue, so I'm very happy with that. I'm very glad. And there you also see the mini PC, some mini PC that I'm testing, I'm checking, like the use is 559 billion, which is interesting mini PC, or the Arofara, or the BMAX. The BMAX is the less interesting on retro gaming terms. Okay, the Blink is very interesting, and let me show you the Arofara 2 Pro is probably the most aggressive mini PC for retro gaming at cost with some noise. It's noisy, and you can't add a 2.5 hard disk, internal hard disk. It's work very similar to the PI, where on the U59 it's more like a mini PC with a form factor more similar to mini PC. You can add an extra hard disk, which is it's very useful. For example, if you want to install Batosera, or the front end you want the retro machine with some extra room for your games. Okay, but it is not this that I want to talk on this video, to be honest, but about the websites. I don't like to to make a promotion to those websites, but I have to. It's called Arcade Punks. Okay, Arcade Punks. They also have a website, Arcade Punks. This is their channel. Okay, if you check their video, they share a lot of image. To be honest, recently they have movies and cartoons. I don't understand very much their lines of sharing. I'm not sure if they are into retro gaming or other sort of things. I just don't see the meaning of old movies, old cartoon, and retro gaming image. But it is not my business. But this is between plenty of Popeye cartoons. There's my image like that. Retro machine 512 gigabytes is not very a problem. If someone made a video about my image and show my image, it's not a big issue to me. The issue is that they share the image on their own server. Okay, so you just download the image from their server, and is not fair to me, for a very simple reason. Just to see, they also made a video with their resources, a video about my image. This is not even my video, so they not even bring traffic to me. Okay, this is a video they made on their own, and just they, no bullshit, no hassle. But the image is mine, guys. It's not yours, it's mine. Okay, and there's another problem for that. Okay, you recognize the image. Oh, ouch, I lost. Okay, it's back. You see, if I input retro machine, other videos, that one, for example, is from my channel, but this not this video. They made this video on their own. Okay, I'm not even interested to enable audio because they also added horrible music to this video, and not the music you find on retro machine, which is a very selected music, copyright free in respect to the original authors. But not that. Okay, if I go to the description, they add a link to their websites where you can get my image. But the problem, I never gave them the permission to share this image. They never have the authorization to share this image. I never gave them my permission to share the image. Let's see their websites. I repeat, I don't like to promote their website, to be honest, but they have my image available to sharing without my permission. So that basically they stolen the image from me, and this is not acceptable to me. There you can see the image, and there you find the link to get the image, and I just stop it there because I'm not interested to help them on that, because I repeat, I never gave authorization to them to share this image, just because this image, like all my works from months now, are made to be shared only privately between private users, not public. Okay, my works are meant to be privately shared, not public. Private. Okay, private, not public. Private. So they don't have my authorization. They decided to share the image by their own. I cannot block this, of course, but consider you don't get the image by me, but by them, and I have no idea if they changed the code, if they changed something, if some virus are added. No idea, and not interested. You just take a fork, not my work, because if you want my work, you have to share with me, and you know the procedure. You have to join my Discord channel and ask for a VIP subscription, because I share privately my works only between a close circle of trusted users. Okay, this is the only procedure, officially procedure. I don't have any control on those images. You don't get any support if something doesn't work like it should, that you need help. Any type of help doesn't expect from me and from them on their image. I just give support only privately on my Discord channel on works that are shared officially between us, not them. Okay, so if you got this image, just keep in mind it could be harmful for your system, because I have no idea what they can add to the image, and is not added the image just like that. Okay, I'm contrary. I never gave them the authorization to do that. So basically, from my point of view, they stolen from me, and they lost all my respect for their work, for their website, for their video YouTube channel. And this is for sure the last time I will show you their website, their channel, because they lost ever any respect from me. Okay, and I just hope creators don't give them anymore their work, because they just live with other works. Just create something by yourself, by your own, and share with others. Just stop to steal works from other creators without their authorization. Okay. Yes, I'm a little pissed. I repeat, I will never talk anymore about those guys. But I'm interested to inform you that if you see my image on their website, it's not my image. It's an image changed, forked, manipulated by them, and shared without my authorization. Okay, if I add a retro machine, you see there's a lot of results. Okay, there's everything, not only my image, of course, and this is my video, for example, but other guys recorded and made videos about my image, but they don't share image with other, just show the image to the people, and I am fine with that. Assumed people which are interested will join my channel and my Discord channel and ask for a VIP subscription, just like that. Otherwise, just yes, you are free to see a video that show what a PI4 or a PC, a mini PC can do with retro gaming and with my asset. I don't have any issue with it. The issues start when you share public my image with others, when my image are meant to be only private, okay? I can say private properly. Okay, and maybe retro machine is not enough. Let's try to add DZ. Should be better. Okay, you see, this is my channel, but this is not. This is a channel I don't. I don't know this channel. He decided to made a video about my image, two video to be precise. Okay, he made it not one but two videos. This is the old retro machine, not even the ultimate edition, so it's very old. Let's move on. This is very old. Okay, those are all my videos. You don't see plenty. Okay, this is PI Mania. This is my friend and supporter, so he is full authorized to make video about my image, and I hope he will make another video about the Ultimate Edition, because this is the old version of Retro Machine I remember. Well, I am happy to do some promotion to his channel, guys. Just join and subscribe to his channel. Okay. So basically, no one made. This is mine. Made a video on Retro Machine Ultimate. Okay. Those are all mines. Totally normal. And but Arcade Punks, I've decided after 5 months, after 5 months, they decided to share public my image without my knowledge, without my authorization, and without my permission. Okay, I'm not aware at all that they decided to share my image, because I am out of contact with them by months. Okay, you know the drill. My image are private, and they should respect this. They decided not. Okay, I'm obliged to inform you about this mess. So if you want the real one image with support, you have to join my Discord server and ask for a VIP subscription. And there's more. And there's more, because I can assure you, I swear, they will never get this Retro Machine Pro for the PC, and they will never get the Retro Machine VIP edition. And I'm starting to think about a name change to inform you, to let you aware precisely that the Retro Machine VIP is a very, very, very evolved version of the old Retro Machine Ultimate that Arcade Punks decided to share after 5 months. Okay, that image is old now, 5 months are passed, but they decided to share without my permission. Okay, but the VIP version of Retro Machine, I repeat, I don't know if I would decide to change name, that will be released soon, will be a totally different image compared to the Ultimate, way improved. And I can assure you, no one will take hands on it without my knowledge, because I repeat, my image are private. Okay? Okay, guys, thanks. Sorry. Thanks. Thanks to follow this video, and just keep to follow me, because I have to show you the new version of Retro Machine Pro with ScanVM and Neo GeoCD added finally, and not only, even the Retro Machine VIP edition, still 512 gigabytes for the PI4 and PI 400. And you will see this image, it's great, I assure you. We catch up on the next video. Bye bye.